am the gatekeeper. I am your worst nightmare. So, you've chosen to play my game, have you? At last, a new bunch of suckers. You don't know how boring it gets on the other side. Do you have any idea how dull the undead are? Saying, of course you do. Look at you.
Hello, it's me. I've got a cup of tea, and I figured I would just talk to you guys about the fact that, like, I'm gobsmacked that I have so many subscribers that are coming to my channel and so many views, and I am appreciative. Thank you so much. But I also just want people to remember that, like, I'm not doing this for subscribers per se. I'm doing, like, I've been posting videos because I just feel like it's the right thing to do. And I've gotten a lot of criticism in relation to my quality of videos or my mispronunciation of words when it's been very late at night, even though I can say words like anti-disestablishmentarianism. And I've gotten a lot of feedback about that stuff, and I just wanted to just say that I'm not doing this to be super professional or anything. I just feel like that this situation is something that the word needs to get out about, and I think that in terms of, like, the world knowing about this situation, the more people who make these videos, even if they're shitty, even if they've got low quality webcams, even if the audio is a bit funky, I think that the more people that make these videos, the more likely that people talk about it. I really do like the idea of all of us just making these videos, and even if, like, my videos get lost in a flood of all of these people speaking about it, I think that it's a good thing, because at the end of the day, we're talking about freedom of press being oppressed, and I think that that's something that we should stand up for. I mean, like, Julian Assange, for instance, he stayed in an Ecuador estate for ages because of freedom of press. He wanted to stay there because of freedom of press and to prevent himself getting arrested. And I think that this is a similar, this is a similar kind of situation. I think that we need to have everybody talking about it. And I think that the best thing to do is, I would love to challenge all of you guys who are into this situation. I would love to challenge you guys to make videos, especially if you've criticized how I have made them, because you guys could probably, if you guys feel like that I've done something bad in my video footage, I would love it if you guys make the same content but better, because if we make this content go extremely viral and we get everybody knowing about it, our uncles, our aunts, our grandparents, our friends, the freaking neighbors across the street, if we do that, then we could get heaps of people talking about this, and then after that occurs, then we can deal with the situation. I don't think it's about the quality of the videos. I think that it's about the message itself, and I think that we need to spread this. We need to make everybody aware that this is going on, because if nobody's aware, then how can we do it? Like, people for years have blindly sat there and voted for people that they don't know who they're voting for, because they don't know politics. Because people are not generally, people are not invested in knowing who they're voting for. And that's how we get situations like John Barilaro in-house, because he basically, like, people just vote blindly I remember in high school, everybody was talking about the pirate party and the sex party, even though, like, the pirate party's pro-censorship, the sex party's against gay marriage and all of this shit, and nobody knows what they're talking about when they go to vote, and then when they do go to vote blindly, we get idiots in Parliament House, you know? Like, I think that you guys need to recognize that this isn't about me. This isn't about, like, Jordies. This isn't about anybody else. This is about our political system and how it's working, if it's working efficiently, if politicians are using their power for corruption. And I think that we need to stand up against that and actually deal with that, you know, as a society.
It is curious that you should be destined for this wand when its brother gave you that scar.
And who owned that wand?
We do not speak his name. The wand chooses the wizard, Mr. Potter.